Do you know that Indian Airlines provide a special discount and additional luggage all for free for students in India? If you want to know more about the offer, that how can you get this discount, what are the eligibility criteria, what are the documents, and how you can get all these benefits and what are the norms you should follow for that, then watch this video till the end. Hi, my name is Shubha and you are watching Peppy Sage. If you are new here and haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. If you are a student and looking for student discounts in international flights as well, you can go to the description box and find a link of the playlist where I have listed all the airlines that provide students benefit for international as well as domestic students. So let's get back to the topic that Indian Airlines provide special discounts and excess baggage that is all for free just for domestic students who are traveling between home and school. Now quickly get into the eligibility for getting this benefit. Indian Airlines provide all these benefits to each and every student who study in India. There is an age criteria that the student must be between 12 to 26 years of age while traveling. The next criteria is the student must be enrolled to an academic course which must be a minimum of 1 year. To get the student benefit, you must be attending a school which is affiliated by the state or the central government or any recognized educational board or society. Now that the eligibility criteria is clear to us, let's understand what documents do you need to avail the student benefit by Indian Airlines. The only extra document you need to get the student benefit by Indian Airlines is your student ID card, which must be a photo ID card, and I always say that there should be your student identification number present over there. This card will be required 2 times while booking your ticket as well as at the airport. So I get many questions who ask me that I have already booked the ticket as a normal ticket. Can I transfer it to a student discount so that I can get at least the extra luggage allowances I can enjoy during travel? But in most of the cases this is not possible, as they have given you the option to opt for student schemes, which gives you a discount on the fare as well as additional luggage allowances. So you have to avail all these facilities while booking the ticket. I don't think in majority of cases things could be altered at the airport or after the ticket has been booked. So make sure before booking the ticket that you are booking your ticket under the student scheme. At the end of this video, I will also tell you how you can book your ticket as a student in Indian Airlines. Now let's move on to the discount part. Now, unlike other airlines, Indian Airlines do not have a particular discount percentage which they have mentioned in their website. If you go to the internet, you'll find various information where they say like 6% to 25% of discount on base fare. But at Indian Airlines website, nowhere it is mentioned that what is the percentage of discount. It is clearly mentioned that there will be a discount, a percentage of discount on the base fare, and that will be solely dependent on the availability of seats. And the student scheme is only applicable for domestic flight, and that too only for economy class. However, the student scheme is not applicable for code share flight. Now the most interesting part is the free luggage allowance. Your total check-in baggage allowance for Indian Airlines as a student under the student scheme will be 25 kg. 15 kg is what every passenger gets. Along with that, you will get an extra of 10 kg check-in luggage allowance. So utilize that, bring all your books along with yourself to your school. Talking about the hand luggage allowance will be same as the normal ticket, which is 7 kg. But make sure there are different kind of tickets which provide hand luggage, some doesn't provide hand luggage allowances. So if your ticket allows hand luggage allowance which is 7 kg, that is the same as your student ticket as well. Now, lot of the times I get this question that, how many pieces of luggage should I carry? So for 25 kg of check-in luggage, you can carry 2 suitcases. Don't carry 1 suitcase. You might think that, okay, they are allowing us up to 2, but I can carry 1. That is not the case. You are allowed and you have to carry 2 suitcases in case you are, taking more than 23 kgs along with you. And for the hand luggage, you'll be allowed to carry only one hand luggage, and along with that, you can also carry a backpack as your personal item. Once you're into your Google Chrome, once you're here, you can see the direct website of Indian Airlines. Once you click over here, you will see this tab just right here on the first page. So for example, I'm giving here from Kolkata to Delhi. And as because I'm booking this one as a student, I'm not taking a round ticket, I'm just booking a one way. The economy class, I'm just going to leave it like that. And for the departure date, I'll give some time such as 10th of March. Once you are done with all these things, you can see here concession type. Once you press this drop down, you will see all these options. So you have to select the student concession type over here, and this will offer you the student benefit. After you selected the student, in here you have to press this red button which is show flight. So as you can see that all the flights that are showing over here under economy class, you are getting a student discount which is reflected for each of the flight. Once you fill in your details, you will find out that the discount which should be applicable on your ticket is already being applied, and this is the final price, or the price which you will be paying as a student is being shown over here. For example, I choose this flight, and here is what you get as a student, that is your check-in baggage will be 25 kg under the economy class. You'll get a complimentary meal, limited free seats, and if you have a preference for your seat selection, you may be charged rupees 200 for that. And then we will proceed with the booking. So now we have come to this page where the details of the ticket we are booking is being showed. It's a Comfort Plus ticket, and you can see that the amount has increased. This has increased just because there are other, GST and other things, taxes which are applied on the fare. So this is the total amount we are going to pay, and you can see the normal ticket amount was 7,823, but now after the student discount is applied, it's 7,185. So you can see here that the student concession has been already applied. As mentioned at their website that you need your student ID card. Over here till now I don't see that you need your student ID card, but make sure to take your student ID card along with you at the airport. So you can see that here are the details which you need to fill for yourself. So I will just fill it up just for the sake of doing so. At the end of the page, you have to press I agree to customer data privacy terms and confirm. Once you have put in all your details, this is your passenger details, which is Gayatri Devi, student. And if you want to select a preferred seat, then you have to pay rupees 200. So I will just leave it like this. Then the free things which are offered are meal. So I will choose a meal plan, Hindu meal. And then finally checkout. And then finally you can go ahead with your payment method. So this is how you should book a ticket as a student with Indian Airlines. So that was all for today. If you have any question regarding this video, let me know in the comments below. I'll be really happy to help you. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.